Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Selore 4K 60Hz dual output dock for the Steam Deck. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this puppy and see what kind of port selection we get. Kind of rip that open right there. Got a little information manual kind of deal there. And here is the dock itself. Let me grab my Steam Deck real quick and we will put it on there and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so I've got my Steam Deck out here. Pardon the screen's a little bit dirty, but as you can see, sits right on there. You got your angled USB-C cable right here, so you can just snap that in there like so. Oop, you guys can't see it. Snap that in there like so. Got a nice right angled connector. And then for the ports on this, you have a display port, an HDMI, USB-C power in, so you can use your Steam Deck's charger to plug it in right here. And then we have a USB 3.1 over here, as well as two more over here. And then we have your Ethernet connection right there, so you can put your Steam Deck on this, plug into Ethernet, and use this to download your games a lot faster than over Wi-Fi, or if you're out traveling, you need to plug it into like hotel Ethernet or something like that. You guys can do that right there. That's what it looks like. Nice and compact. You can easily throw this in your travel bag and just take it with you on the go. So that is very nice, and you can use it to just prop your Steam Deck up like that. You can also use it as a little stand if you don't want to use an external monitor. Just plug it into power only, and you can use a external controller and set it up like that and charge it and play on the go and have it propped up. So that is the Selore and S Global stand for the Steam Deck, little docking station. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day. Links will be down in the description below to pick this up on Amazon.